How to make money with JM Bullion gold coins. The gold kinnabar is in simple terms a gold bar which contains a hologram to prove its authenticity. The Union Bank of Switzerland introduced such a gold bar in 1993 with the hologram on the underside of the bar to validate its authenticity. Now the KB Financial Group, a European group of companies with headquarters in Munich, are launching their own investment 999.9 grade gold kinnabar, each bearing its own unique serial number and the all-important hologram which guarantees its quality. To make the gold kinnabar attractive and appealing to the mass investor, a new weight had to be introduced. The recognized weight for gold is measured in troy ounces, which were derived from the monetary system designed by the Romans, who used bronze bars of different weights as their currency, and the price of gold is generally measured per troy ounce. A troy ounce is equivalent to 31.103478 grams, so if an ounce of gold is $1,400, then 1 gram of pure 999.9 quality gold would be worth $45 and 1 cent. This is precisely what KB Edelmetall has done. They have produced a 1 gram 24K 999.9% gold kinnabar, each with its own serial number and hologram which guarantees its authenticity to the international financial community. They have also produced a 1/2 gram gold bar and are soon going to introduce a 1/4 gram gold kinnabar. KB has been operating in conventional financial services for the last 16 years and during that time established itself as a promoter of gold purchase investment plans. As a direct result of acquiring for cash 2 mining operations based in Turkey, a refinery, mint international distribution operation, and also coordinates vault storage in Switzerland, which allows KB to always guarantee to their clients that their gold kinnabars are 24K 999.9% quality. KB has developed their business model in such a way as to offer a top-quality investment product to the masses. It is worth mentioning that there are 95 top-tier refiners in the world, of which 89 are owned by governments and 6 are privately owned. KB is one of those 6 in the world. The company offers a savings account which can be operated in euro, US dollars, and sterling. Lump sum investments can be made, or a savings plan can be set up with monthly minimums. The gold kinnabars are stored free of charge in St. Gotthard Massif, Switzerland. If cash is required, KB will purchase however many gold kinnabars the investor wishes to realize, the cash being transferred 2 to 3 days after giving notice to sell. The best prices are guaranteed as there is no middleman involved, as is the case with most gold bar purchase schemes. The company have decided to market their gold kinnabar investment program using the personal referral approach. An investor can become in effect an agent and market their gold bars and be paid a commission. Alternatively, an individual can sign up as an agent and make a business out of it. The commission structure is designed to reward those that really want to make this a serious business. There is a great opportunity to develop passive income from the business, as there is no limit as to how deep one structure can go. Websites are provided and there are no joining fees or month fees. Help will be at hand from the group leader to help you market this service. We live in financial turbulent times. Hardly a week goes by without some major turmoil happening, which invariably affects the world's currencies and the value of real assets such as gold, and in turn the gold kinnabar. The recent volatility in the world financial market has solidified KB's position, validating personal gold savings plans as a must for all. A large number of investment advisors have been recommending that their clients transfer 10 to 20% of their assets into gold and continue to do so. The KB gold kinnabar looks set for a bright future and might just become an investment craze.